Am I gonna get the wide body? The wide body kit?
No. You were taking a video of the wide body.
I'm done. This is gonna be on my YouTube page.
I want money.
Huh?
When you get famous, I want money.
You guys subscribe to my YouTube for me to get famous.
Shit, what's your YouTube?
My YouTube is prettyb_392.
She just want likes. Living life in the light. What a hell of a life. Can't fuck this thought on the mattress. Yeah, I'm into action. Blowing fire like a dragon. Dread swinging, flesh tatted. Making sense of the madness. Mesh Dior jacket. I hit the pavement with traction. You gotta pay me in back ends. She love me, she got an infection.
Sorry, Sunday.
Hell yeah. Yeah, we'll do that next weekend.
Who Mustang? Who's Mustang? Y'all know? The Shelby shirt? Yeah, okay. Is your Mustang? Yes, sir. That's nice. That's nice. It's gonna be on my YouTube if you don't mind.
I don't mind.
That's nice.
You guys should race.
Huh?
You should race a Mustang.
You said I should race a Mustang.
Yeah, that 5-0 right there.
Hey, I want all the smoke.
Let's go.
I want all the smoke. Whose is this? Okay. Okay, y'all got the stains out here looking nice. I should have went to the car wash. Oh, who got the Corsa though? This yours?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Yes, I love females with cars. Yes, this is so nice.
It's gonna get wrapped in like.
You get it wrapped?
This is what's gonna look like.
Ooh, I'm not gonna show you till you're wrapped up. Oh, that's nice. It's like a chrome, like reflective.
Yeah, it's a gloss psychedelic.
Ooh, yeah. That's gonna be nice. We got some GTRs for you. Y'all see Bay? Y'all see her. Girls up in that thing, yes sir. Yes sir. Who want the smoke, man? Oh, they got the audio here. That's nice. White thing right here. Everybody thought it was gonna be a warm day. It's cold as hell. Cold as hell. What you driving?
Damn G. I'm talking about.
G, where's that?
You want some of
Alright, let's go. Okay. Okay.
the limited, you know what I'm talking about?
Not the limited thing.
The windshield wiper in the back.
Ooh wee.
That's exclusive, and they got a little fluid to come out of there. So I went here. I said I want the silver trim. They had the black edition.
Okay.
You know, black,
The plain, not that plain.
This popped too much. So
Right.
Silver. I wanted the silver.
Ooh.
They had the plains.
Not
and
that
black,
chrome
but I did
thing.
the chrome thing with
Well, you see that reflection?
Yeah, they got a little blinker right there.
Not that chrome thing, okay. What's these? These two what? These gotta be 305, 265.
They
Okay.
just something slight.
Something slight. Okay.
You wanna come in here. Now this where it get interesting, you know. Look right here, the little controls right there. So,
Okay. Ooh.
4-wheel drive, low.
Yeah.
Mud,
Yeah.
rock setting. You know,
Okay.
this is North Dakota, so got the snow.
Okay.
So, something slight.
Oh, just something slight. Man, you got an Instagram you want to shout out?
Dream chasing _910.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. See you guys. Hey, my twin leaving. Everybody leaving. Y'all about to go? Okay.
Just waiting for him to get back and then we're out.
Dang, you took everything. Oh, you trying to beat somebody. You trying to win some races for real.
Race ready.
Your ass fuck around and get little on my ass. Hold on. Vibrate.
I can do
It's
it.
a Hellcat.
No.
It's even, right?
What you think it is? It's a Hellcat for sure.
Got it in the
She won't race me with this cat pack.
You said what?
She won't race me with
You
this.
said I won't race you.
Yeah.
Man, let me get these 275s. You better stop playing before I have to dust you an eco.
Try me.
I'll race you.
I don't want to waste my time, bro.
See your tires. Ain't that bad. I seen Bob. Oh, we. Oh, yeah. You gonna need to get some tires.
I've got some.
Yeah, already got it.
You be sliding?
I don't waste my time.
You don't waste your time.
No, only dig racing here.
Only racing? You be sliding?
Dig racing.
Only what?
Dig racing.
Dig racing. Oh, from a dig.
Slides, that's like some bullshit fucking California shit, man.
I like that shit.
Everybody all the time.
I like that shit. These 212s.
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh wee.
They blown as fuck,
You
but
trying to shake the block, ain't you?
of course.
Yes, sir.
If I can't bring the building down, then why have them?
You got a page for it?
What's that?
You got a page for it?
Yeah, it's Alien Projects OG.
Alien Projects OG.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna put your mention in my video.
Instagram,
Oh, you got YouTube?
TikTok. Yeah, hell yeah, I got
Oh,
everything.
I'm subscribed to you. You subscribe to me.
Hell yeah, likewise. He sent me your link, so
I got you.
I'll follow you.
Nice though.
Thank you.
I seen this car the other day. I felt like they was trying to race me. I think this is the car that was trying to race me the other day.
Really?
Yeah, because it had a little bike strip over it. I ain't gonna turn it down.
My whole shit is fucking perfect.
This is nice.
All-wheel drive.
Really? Is this yours? This yours? Do y'all have a page for your car? It's nice. What's your TikTok and Instagram? Okay. Just all together? I got you. I'm gonna put you on my YouTube. This is nice.
It's just a little cold, you know.
Yeah. Huh? Hey, I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke. They got it.
go another spot for sure. Yeah, this is Grand Forks.
You're not having no fun though.
You're not in Atlanta, man.
Okay, so y'all, so I was going with them to like ride around and stuff, but I mean I did that before. I did that like plenty of times. It's cool, but I really want to go sliding. They're not the type of people like at a car meet that want to do stuff like that. They be like, no, we don't want to get shut down. We don't want the cops to come. Yeah, but sometimes you just gotta have fun. Sometimes you just gotta have fun. So I'm just gonna go to my little spot in Mexico and get some more practice in. I'm excited this time. I was nervous last time, but I'm just excited this time for real to do it again. I haven't slid since then.
A few moments later.
I'm excited. I'm about to slide again. Hold on. Let me turn this traction off.
She just want lights, cameras, action. She just want